Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you one other VS Code very popular theme which is called as Dracula. If you go to extensions tab, just type this. It's developed by this organization draculatheme.com. They do offer their own website as well, and I think they charge money if you want to purchase their pro version. So let me just show you this Dracula theme. This is two versions that they offer. First of all, this bluish kind of a version which looks quite good. As you can see, this is the syntax highlighting that it provides you. The next one is the soft version. So these two versions are provided. If you basically like this, the full version of the theme alongside with the font as well, you can directly purchase their extension at draculatheme.com. As you can see, click on Dracula Pro. It has various versions. As you can see, it also have a background as well. In the Pro version, various color themes are also available. So this is the newish version, which is the white version. In the demo version, you just got to see this one. So some alternatives are also there if you don't want to purchase them. So you have some alternatives, which is Dracula at night. You have this. If you activate this, you can see it similarly look to this. So some other, you can also dark Dracula theme. This is also one good alternative that you can use. So various alternatives are also developed. You can check out all these. But thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.